Now, if you've got a soulmate, if you've been lucky enough to find your soulmate in this beautiful world and you want to strengthen your love and affection with your soulmate, now this is the flower that you need around your home all the time. It strengthens the love and the communication that you have with your soulmate. It's also a beautiful flower to include into your space if you're grieving, so if you've lost a loved one. It is a magical flower in order to detox you from that grief, and just a beautiful flower in general to enjoy. It comes in very different colours. It comes in white, soft pink, orange, this beautiful blood red colour, and it is available right now actually as we're going into the cooler months of the year. That's when they start coming out and showing off their beauty to us. So if you want beauty in your home, you need to include Calla Liliy on your list.